Here we've got REALME C11, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here click on Backup and Reset. And here just go to Backup, Google Backup. If it's not active, just click on the switcher, just like that, and then click on Backup Account. And now make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now enter either your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address, so let me just enter it. And then tap on next. And now just enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is. And just click on next. Now you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, just tap on more and accept to finish the whole operation. And backup to Google Drive is active. You can smoothly use your device and be aware that all your data is backed up by Google, and your backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK, and that is all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.